Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Zodicatthefarm at the Farm. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm doing very well. All right, so I am here to show you this particular piece that I'm going to be working on today. It's actually 4 pieces. I've got this large, gorgeous crystal back piece. I've got this crystal Mikasa here. I've also got this beautiful flower and gold flower petal, along with this beautiful red orb. So I just think it's amazing, and I can't wait to show you the tips from A to Z on how to complete this beautiful flower. All right, so let's move on to the items that you're going to need to complete this project. Okay, see you soon. Hey folks, okay, let's go over a list of items that you're going to need to complete this project. And I always say have your dishes already pre-assembled and ready to go. You're also going to need to have some safety wear. You're going to need some safety gloves. You're also going to need some safety goggles, very important in working with glass. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver so that we can tighten all of these pieces down. If you're going to be using this externally, you're going to need some type of hook to hang this on a piece of PVC or conduit, if you will, or whatever, however you choose to stack your or mount your piece. It's entirely up to you. That's what I love about this, is that we have as much creativity. I mean, the possibilities are simply endless. Okay, all right, so you're also going to need to have a marker to mark your plates. You're going to need to have either a drill press or you're going to need a cordless drill to cut your plates. You're also going to have a diamond tipped bit to cut through this particular glass. And I think that's pretty much everything. If I forgot anything, it is listed in the description box below. And let's move on. Well, this is a beautiful flower that I'm about to cut. So I need to get this bottom part here off. Now, if you can see, you probably can't see where you're at, but this is actually too tall for this. So I'm going to have to go ahead and bring this down some. Okay, I'll go ahead and adjust this. Okay, so there we go, just like that. Okay, and I've got it where I need it to be. I'll try and put a little bit of water on this. Okay, and let's go ahead and get started. Push this off. Okay. And go ahead and clean this. Okay. Clean that off. Okay, there we go, right there. And on the back. Okay, let me go ahead and get started with our first piece, and I'm going to simply turn it over to the back, and I'm going to go ahead and put a washer right there. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my hook and take this washer and put it right there, just like that. And take my bolt and I'm going to push it straight through, just like that. All right, and then I'm going to take my plate and I'm going to push that straight through, just like that, and then carefully turn it over on its side. My next piece is going to be this beautiful Mikasa, and I'm going to set that just like that. Okay. right there. And then the next piece is going to be my washer, and I'm going to put that right there. And then my final piece is the flower petal, and that's going to go just like that. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Very good. And then I've got my toggle. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and get my toggle started, wings down. Flick that until it's as far down to the flower petal as you can get. Just like that. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Very carefully, just like that. Carefully, and just a little bit more here. And here we are. Okay, here is the finished flower. If you can see that, that is just absolutely amazing. Just an amazing piece. Just the petal and also the red orb just makes it look absolutely wonderful. Let me turn it over here. And here's the back where you can see the hook. Okay. And then back right back here, the full picture there. Okay, that looks absolutely incredible, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, there's so many beautiful places you could put this. Yeah, there's just, this would be just, it's just so pretty, and it has the texture to it. It has, you know, volume to it. I mean, it's just really an incredible piece here. All right, let me go ahead and show this to you with the stand. Okay, let me show you the stand. Here's my stand. Let me go ahead and sit it right here. Hey folks, okay, here it is with the stand. Okay, I think it looks amazing on the stand. Okay, and I'm just going to present it today on the stand. Here's the final presentation of this beautiful crystal and red orb with a pink and gold flower petal. Let me turn this around and you can see the hanger on that. Doesn't it look amazing? And I think it's just a really beautiful, classic, and elegant piece. Now, this back piece I think I got from a yard sale. The Mikasa, I think I got from the Salvation Army. This flower petal, I believe I got it from online somewhere. And then, of course, my orbs, I just pretty much get anywhere. Okay, there you go. I absolutely think it looks amazing. I hope you love it. I know I do. Okay, folks, I just want to thank you for showing up here today to view my video, and I hope you have a really good week, and I hope you have many blessings come your way. If you have any questions regarding how I assembled anything today in the video, or any questions regarding the video, you can leave your comments below, or you can also email me at zodicatthefarm@gmail.com. And if you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can reach me at etsy.com, RobinClayton, ZodicGlassshop. All right, so have a great week, and many blessings sent your way, and I'll see you next week here at Zodicatthefarm. Take care. Bye-bye.